Assalamualaikum and welcome back to Marvish Cuisine. Today I'm sharing a recipe for homemade ice cream where you don't need any ice cream maker or any high maintenance machine whatsoever. And I named this ice cream 1, 2, 3. You only need 3 ingredients to make this creamy, no churn, delicious ice cream. And today I'm sharing 3 different flavors. So 3 ingredients and 3 flavors. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe with Bismillah. First we'll talk about 3 ingredients. The first ingredient is heavy whipping cream, second is condensed milk, and third is the flavoring. So whatever flavor ice cream you want, that third ingredient is the flavor. You can use any fruit puree, any essence, anything you like. So basic are whipping cream and condensed milk, and third is the flavoring. So let's start our easy ice cream making recipe. I am pouring heavy whipping cream in a bowl. With the hand blender, just whip until it forms stiff peaks. You can whip it by hand as well, but it's gonna take a little more time. By stiff peaks, I mean when you try to pick it up, it doesn't drop. So these are the stiff peaks. So first we'll make our basic vanilla flavor. For that, I'm adding condensed milk into our whipped cream and vanilla essence, and that's it. You just need these 3 ingredients. Fold with a very light hand until it's completely mixed through. You can add any cake pieces, anything you want in your vanilla ice cream. Just pour it into a freezer safe container which should have a lid. Just tap it on the counter and then smooth the top, put the lid on and put it in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours, and your ice cream is ready. Now I'm making another flavor with the fruit. Of course, it's summer, so I am using mango today. You can use any other flavor, adding mango puree and some mango chunks into the bowl of condensed milk, and then mix until it's completely mixed through. And whatever flavor you are using, whatever fruit puree you are using, just mix it into the condensed milk rather than whipping it directly into the whipped cream, because that will deflate our whipped cream. So very light hand, just fold your puree and your chunks into the whipped cream and then transfer it into a freezer safe bowl which have a lid. Just smooth the top, put the lid on and put it in the freezer. That's how you make the fruit flavored ice cream. Let's go and make my favorite flavor, that is chocolate. So I am adding cocoa powder into the bowl of condensed milk, and then mix with the spatula until the cocoa powder is completely mixed with the condensed milk. Now if you want, you can use melted chocolate as well. Today I'm using both to of course enhance the flavor, and I'll show you how I'm using the melted chocolate. So I am pouring the condensed milk mixture into the whipping cream, and just very light hand, just start folding until it's completely mixed through. Now I'm taking the melted chocolate and adding very little, like a tablespoon or two, and start folding with a very light hand, and just until it give you a ripple effect. It will of course enhance the flavor, and it will give us little chunky chocolate in our ice cream. So I am pouring it into a freezer safe bowl until as soon as I pour the half of the mixture. Now I'm drizzling the melted chocolate on top of it and then pouring the remaining mixture on top. Just smooth the top, and I'm drizzling again the remaining chocolate. You can do it with the piping bag or just drizzle and throw. It will give a different texture and of course different sizes of chocolate chunks in the ice cream. Just cover the lid, put it in the freezer, and 3 delicious different flavors of ice cream are ready. You can put it in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours, or of course overnight is preferred, and this creamy, no churn, delicious ice cream is ready to serve. You can make this ice cream with any flavor of your choice. You can add chopped nuts, some marshmallows. You can add a lot of different essence which are available in the market, bubblegum, unicorn, strawberry, a lot of different fruit purees, strawberries, blueberries, or even you can add any brownies or Oreos or whatever you like. Possibilities are endless, and I am following this recipe since long. It always turned out no churn, no crystals, and creamy perfect ice cream. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. Any other flavors you guys add in there. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.